Good morning everyone. In this video, we are going to cover the current affairs of 16th July 2020. Please subscribe our channel GTV Education and Exam, and for regular updates, please join our Telegram group. Now let's start. Reliance AGM 2020, Jio Google partnership, Jio TV Plus, Jio Glass and Jio 5G announced. Get full details here. Reliance AGM 2020, Reliance Industry conducted its 43rd annual general meeting on July 15, 2020. In one of the most awaited announcements, RIL chairman and managing director Mukesh Ambani confirmed that Google will be RIL's new strategic partner. The RIL chairman made the announcement after introducing all the entities that recently invested in Jio platforms. Ambani announced that Google will be invest rupees 33,737 crore for a 7.7% stake in Jio platforms. Reliance Jio Google partnership. Key highlights. Reliance Jio in partnership with Google will develop an Android-based smartphone operating system to increase access to smartphones. The main objective is to accelerate India's digital economy. Mukesh Ambani announced that while Jio has sold around 100 million Jio phones till date, there are many people who are still waiting to upgrade their phones to conventional smartphones. Ambani stated that they can design an entry-level 4G to 5G smartphone at fraction of the current cost. However, to engineer the same, they require an equally value-engineered smartphone operating system. The RIL chairman said that such an operating system will have to be designed right from scratch. Hence, Jio will be partnering with Google to build such a smartphone operating system to provide more people with access to smartphones. Ambani announced that the Jio-Google partnership is determined to make India 2G Mukt and enable to migration of 350 million Indians who are currently using 2G features phone to affordable 4G to 5G smartphones. Reliance will ensure COVID vaccine reaches every corner of India. Neeta Ambani, the chairperson and founder of Reliance Foundation, Neeta Ambani, assured that as soon the COVID vaccine is available, Reliance Industries will use its digital infrastructure and supply chain to ensure that it reaches every corner of the country. Jio 5G announced. Akash Ambani unveiled Jio 5G, which aims to connect everyone everywhere. He announced that Jio employees have developed the complete 5G solution from scratch, and it will be enable them to launch a world-class 5G services in India. The trials for the same are expected to begin soon and will be ready for deployment once the spectrum is allocated. Jio TV Plus, Jio Glass unveiled. Isha Ambani unveiled Jio TV Plus at the RIL AGM 2020. The Jio TV Plus will be content aggregator that will curate OTT platforms such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and Hotstar into one app. Jio TV Plus will have voice-enabled search. What is Jio Glass? Reliance Jio has launched a new and innovative technology, Jio Glass, a new mixed reality headset, which will enable holographic video calling. Jio Glass will provide best-in-class mixed reality services to the users. It will bring teachers and students together in virtual 3D classrooms and conduct holographic classes through the Geo Mixed Reality Cloud in real time. GeoGlass aims to help students experience a new style of online learning amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Isha Ambani stated that with GeoGlass, traditional way of learning geographic will be history. GeoMart. Speaking on GeoMart, Isha Ambani said that GeoMart is built upon two fundamental pillars: a strong omni-channel teach platform to unite customers, kiranas and producers, a widespread physical network of Reliance Retail that take benefit of newcomers to every corner. GeoMart was launched a few months ago in beta in around 200 cities. The platform is built for both kirana stores as well as customers. Jio is now working with WhatsApp to offer its customer with seamless services. The platform is now offering a COVID-19 kit with the first order for new customers. Reliance Retail. RIL Chairman MD Mukesh Ambani stated that Reliance Retail is India's largest and most profitable retail business. Ambani shared that almost two-thirds of the nearly 12,000 stores are operational in Tier 2, Tier 3 and Tier 4 towns, and it is expected to cover many more cities and expand to many more categories in the coming years. He further announced that Reliance Retail shares a deep bond with our farmers, which had helped them source over 80% of their vegetable and fruits straight from the farmers. Reliance Retail also provides large employment opportunities for many people across India. Reliance Petrochemical Business. Mukesh Ambani shared all Reliance manufacturing facilities are operating with 90% capacity despite all challenges posed amid COVID-19 lockdown. He also announced that several global companies have approached them for strategic partnerships. Ambani said that the partnership will be announced as and when they are finalized. He said that it will help build competitive manufacturing capabilities in India, thus strengthening India's manufacturing capability. Further speaking about Reliance's deals with Saudi Aramco, Ambani shared that it has not progressed according to the set timeline, but Reliance is committed to long-term partnership with the country. Background: the RIL AGM 2020 was held through video conferencing. The RIL shareholders from across the world participated in the annual meeting by logging into the live event. Reliance Industries Limited recently became the first listed Indian company to cross rupees 12 lakh crore in market capitalization. The Reliance Industries share price touched a record high today ahead of its 43rd AGM. The RIL share price currently stands at 1,948.75. Besides this, RIL chairman Mukesh Ambani became the sixth richest person in the world on July 14, 2020, after the overtook Larry Page. As per the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, according to the index, Mukesh Ambani's net worth was USD 72.4 billion around 4 p.m. on July 14. Which among the following companies have announced rupees 33,737 crore investment in Reliance Jio? The right answer is Google. Reliance Industries conducted its 43rd annual general meeting on July 15, 2020. In one of the most awaited announcements, RIL Chairman and Managing Director Mukesh Ambani confirmed that Google will invest 33,737 crore for a 7.7% stake in Jio Platforms. Who has been appointed as interim BCCI CEO? The right answer is Hemang Amin. The BCCI has appointed Hemang Amin as the interim CEO of the board to replace Rahul Johri, whose resignation was expected last week. The announcement was made on July 13, 2020. Which country has banned its telecom companies from sourcing 5G equipment from Huawei? The right answer is United Kingdom. The United Kingdom has imposed a ban on its telecom companies from sourcing 5G equipment from Chinese telecom company Huawei. The announcement was made by UK's Digital Secretary Oliver Dowden after a meeting chaired by UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Which nation revoked its controversial directive to deport international students? The right answer is US. US President Donald Trump on July 14, 2020 repealed his controversial directive to deport international students who decide to take online classes amid coronavirus pandemic. Who has developed the P7 heavy drop system? The right answer is DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has developed P7 heavy drop system that is capable of para-dropping military stores up to 7-ton weight class from IL-76 aircraft. The system is fully indigenous and is being manufactured by L&T. What is Jio Glass? The right answer is headset. Reliance Jio has launched a new and innovative technology, Jio Glass, a new mixed reality headset which will enable holographic video calling. Jio Glass will bring teachers and students together in virtual 3D classrooms and conduct holographic classes through the Jio Mixed Reality Cloud in real time. India held a summit with which blog on July 15. The right answer is EU. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the India-European Union virtual summit on July 15 and highlighted the key role played by both the regions in the economic reconstruction in the post-COVID-19 world. When was World Youth Skill Day observed? The right answer is July 15. Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered a video address on World Youth Skill Day on July 15, 2020. The day has marked the 5th anniversary of the launch of Skill India mission.